All right, Namaste, Salam, and Sat Sri Akal. Let's get started, folks. I want to introduce a new feature in the Textan app, which is the use of PDF files. So now, in addition to .txt and .csv, we can also use PDF files. Yeah. Let me introduce the data file. This is just an example file. Any PDF file will do. Just right click on this, open it in a new tab, and this is where it will take you. It will take you to this site here, ResearchGate. So this is an academic article. This is the paper. I'm just going to use the PDF version of this paper. It's a recent paper, 2024 April, generative AI usage in the marketing classroom. So the paper, as you can see, has graphs and charts. It has a lot of text. We will only read the text. It will not be able to read. It will read the text inside tables, for instance, but it won't be able to do much with the graphs and so on. Okay, all right. So you can download it and save it on your local machine. Yeah. In parallel, also open up basic text analysis, and we are ready to read in the data. Yeah. So here we are. Now let's load the PDF file pretty much along the same lines as before. Click on this. Let me get to, well, somewhere here, I believe. GenAI in the classroom. This is about a 4 MB file. So, up to 10 MB it will take easily, maybe up to 20 MB. Very heavy PDF files tend to have a lot of images, so that anyway won't work here. Let's go to the data summary tab. We have 147 rows. As you can see, each line break becomes a row. Yeah. So you have some documents pretty large and some documents are small. Another thing you can notice is that the headers and the footers tend to appear as documents in their own right. It is what it is. Maybe I'll figure a way to get rid of them. I mean, that's probably straightforward. All right. So we've loaded the file and pretty much we are there. Hmm. Each line break separates two documents in the file. Now let's start text analysis. We'll hit the apply changes button. So you go here, we can hit the apply changes button. Before that, take this, make it 5. Okay. So the minimum frequency in the word cloud will be 5. A token has to have occurred at least 5 times in the corpus before it would be considered for the word cloud. You can take this and move it all the way to, let's say, 150. So about up to 150 words the word cloud would accommodate. Let's go here now and click on apply changes. Yeah. So once you click on apply changes, well, it will change. Let's go here and see. So there it is. Hmm. It's a relatively small, DTM, but there it is. This is our word cloud. What can we make out of this? So you can see Gen AI, information, Claude, knowledge, models, LLMs, marketing, pretty much what we would expect from a document of that sort, a PDF of that sort. This is the TF IDF word cloud. Yeah. All right, so here we are. Now let's use LLM Assist and try to analyze this graph. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. 150 token word cloud with a minimum token frequency of 5 and above. Yeah, from a PDF file of an academic paper in marketing on how to use Gen AI tools in the classroom. Okay, please give as much rich context as you can because the LLM is sensitive to any cues we give it. I'm asking the LLM now, well, analyze the word cloud. Yeah, speculate on what is the paper saying. Yeah, and this is the output format tabulated with these 3 columns. Well, let me get started. So you've seen this before, so I'll just do it for one of them. You can copy it here. I'm going to Copilot. Yeah, but let's try Gemini otherwise. Yeah, so I'm here in Gemini. This is Gemini. Yeah, I can paste this here. Yeah, and I will have to copy the. Let me see if I can do that. Copy the image and paste it here. Okay, so I think it has pasted. It is ready. And let's see what Gemini says. Yeah. So I have done this for. I have done this in Copilot, and this is the output I got from Copilot. I'm curious to see what Gemini gives me. This is what Gemini is saying. Not bad. Main group of tokens, possible theme, and reasoning. Yeah. Actually, in this case, I like Gemini's output better than what I'm seeing here. Yeah, in some sense. So this is kind of, I mean, this is also good, but I think it's a matter of taste. Yeah. Let's go back here. So this part is done. Let's get to custom co-occurrence. Okay, before I get to custom co-occurrence, I'll have to put some inputs here. Okay, now these words are not there in the corpus, which is why custom co-occurrence is showing nothing. You can go here and look at this. I mean, what would be a good set of seed keywords around which we can build custom co-occurrences? Okay. Now, in this case, I went with GenAI LLM's Pure Play tools. This is GenAI. There is tools somewhere. There is Pure Play. I saw Pure Play somewhere, and then this is Pure Play, and the other one was, let me look at it again, LLMs, GenAI, Pure Play, and tools. So well, let's copy this. Yeah, I'm just going to copy this. Where did these come from? They came from here. I mean, you can choose any other keywords that you want. I am just basically choosing this one here. In terms of concordance, so I have Gen AI, I have Gen AI models, Gen AI tools. So I'm just going to write Gen, okay? And I'll say, give me a regex match. So I'll show you what this means and what it does, okay? Now that we've done this, okay, we are ready to hit apply changes. Okay, so it will give me. You can basically look at what you have here and so on. Yeah, here the view HTTPS and www. We can get rid of them. Yeah, HTTPS www. I'll get rid of LLMs also. Okay, let's just make it 3 central nodes. Okay, and I'll try apply changes again. Yeah. Now let's see what we get. This is what I'm getting: Pure Play, Gen AI, and tools. Yeah. And well, what does it mean? Yeah. All of these nodes here, all of these tokens tended to appear in the same document as Pure Play. All of these tokens tended to appear in the same document as tools. So in order to figure out what this means, well, I'm going to take LLM help again. Yeah. So now you can copy this. Yeah, so there it is. Let me try Gemini this time. Yeah, I'm just going to paste it here. And now let's enter the prompt. Okay, so again, custom co-occurrence graph from the same text corpus from a PDF file of an academic paper in marketing on how to use Gen AI tools in the classroom. Yeah. Interpret the graph, tell me about the themes or topics that might underlie each subgraph. So I'm just going to copy this. Let me head to Gemini. There it is. And also I have uploaded the figure. Now we are ready. Let's see what it says. Yeah. In the meantime, I can show you what I got. So when I tried this, I tried it in Gemini, and this is what I got the last time. Let's see what it says this time. Oh, LLMs, Pure Play and tools. So it's basically given me a good set of, yeah. It's also given me additional notes, potential research questions. I mean, I'm starting to like Gemini. It's kind of evolved quite a bit in the last few weeks and months. Yeah. What else is there? Well, let's look at the concordance tab. Remember, concordance, I put Gen and then I clicked it for a regex match. Now, if you go up to the concordance tab, there it is. Yeah, you can see that, well, why just 10? Let's go to 25. So Gen will match with generative. There is Gen here. It will match with intelligence. You see, there is Gen here. So it will match any word which has Gen in it. Gen AI, generating, generative, genera, and so on. Yeah. I mean, you already know this, and just this is your bigrams, and then here we will finally get our downloads. Yeah, so these are our downloads. Yeah. What happened to okay, there they are. Yeah. Well, that's basically it from me. I will close it now.